Bang Bang sauce is a spicy, sweet mayonnaise-based sauce traditionally used on Bang Bang shrimp, but today I'm using it with chicken to make a delicious Bang Bang chicken skewer recipe slathered in that spicy, sweet, and creamy goodness. Only going to need some boneless, skinless chicken thighs and any vegetable you like for the skewers. I'll go through the remaining ingredients later in the video. Trust me, you won't want to miss this simple recipe. But first, let's prep our chicken. Just pat the chicken dry with some paper towels. I've trimmed off most of the fat and removed any leftover skin. You'll want to cut the chicken thigh in half and then in half again so you're left with roughly 2-inch pieces, like this. Keep in mind that it's going to shrink a little when it cooks, so you want to make the pieces a little bit bigger. I'm going to cut the remaining thighs the same way and then get all the cut up chicken into this glass bowl. Drizzle in some olive oil, add about a teaspoon of sea salt and some freshly ground black pepper. And mix it to get all the chicken nicely coated. This is perfect. Okay, so I'm going to take one of the skewers that's been sitting in a bowl of water for about 30 minutes. I do that so the skewers don't burn. And start threading the chicken pieces on each skewer. Curl the other end over like that. I'm probably going to get about 4 or 5 pieces on this one. I'll do the same with the remaining chicken. Just cut off the top of the pepper and I'll cut off the bottom also. Slice it open and remove the ribs and seed inside. And then just cut it into 2-inch pieces. I'm only using 1 pepper and 1 onion. I'm just going to peel the onion and cut it in half and then cut it into cubes about the same size as the pepper. Then I'll take 1 or 2 pieces of the onion and slide it onto a skewer and follow it up with a slice of pepper. And just continue doing this until all the skewers are filled. Now the air fryer is preheated and we're ready to put in the chicken skewers. I should be able to fit all 4 in there. Close up the air fryer and set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. I'm going to keep an eye on it anyway to make sure we get to the right temperature. In the meantime, let's get seasoning on the vegetables. Get a little olive oil on them. I didn't put them all together because I know the chicken is going to take longer to cook. These here, I just want to get them toasted on the other side. Keep a little bit of that crunch still on them. Add some salt and some ground black pepper. And we'll make the sauce. Get the vegetable in and then we'll plate it up. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to prepare the Bang Bang sauce. Start with 2 to 3 green onions chopped, 1 clove of garlic minced. Squirt in 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce. For some heat, add in 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and ground black pepper. Stir it up until it's all well combined. Take a look at how good that looks. Creamy, sweet, spicy, sour. Give it a taste to test for salt and we're ready to go. When there's just 2 to 3 minutes left, pull the chicken out of the air fryer. You can see some color on the edges. I'm going to baste it with that creamy Bang Bang sauce. I waited until the end because I don't want the sugars to burn and blacken the chicken. Close the air fryer and set about another 5 minutes. When the Bang Bang chicken skewers come out, I'm going to brush on more of that sauce. You can use as much or as little as you like at this point and put some into a bowl for dipping later. Pull out the vegetables. They got just a little bit of char on the edges. Put them on the side of the chicken skewers. Garnish with some green onions. Make this quick and easy Bang Bang chicken skewer recipe at your next cookout or a busy weeknight dinner. Pair it with your favorite cold drink. Give these a try and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see my next recipe. Thanks for watching.